Good afternoon, Sagittarius. I don't know what it was. Is that when I started trying to meditate on your energy, my guide said, get out and ground. So Sagittarius, nature may be significant for the month of March. Perhaps you're planning a fishing trip with the boys, or something significant about a barbecue, or something outside. Okay, I definitely am enjoying the fact that the sun came out today. It was a really bad storm the other night, and everything was super wetted up. But the sun was perfect today. I'm letting the boys run around and stretch their land legs. Let's go ahead and tap into your energy, Sagittarius. Let's see what's going on. Stay to the left. Don't go across the camera. By the power of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, I humbly petition thee to please give me clear and precise messages for the zodiac sign of Sagittarius. We're out by the lake, Sag. Sagittarius, someone may be having some really risque thoughts about you, or this could be you. Take what resonates. You could be dealing with another fire sign or a different sign. Someone is definitely, this is either someone you've already been with or someone that's fantasizing about being with you. All right, for some of you, you could be dealing with a Gemini, Sagittarius, Holy Spirit. Someone may be heartbroken, or you may be finding out some news in the month of March, Sagittarius, that might break someone else's heart. All right, this may be in the result of a domino effect here. Something occurs, which makes something else occur, which spirals out of control. This may have something to do with a health concern. Okay, so for my sages out there, you want to make sure that you get your proper checkups and all of that. I just went through that hassle, and I'm so glad I did. Okay, I can't even tell you how important that is to get news back and know that you have a clean bill of health. Okay, that's like a whole nother, it's like people flex the craziest things, Sage, but I'm just happy to have a clean bill of health. You see what I'm saying? I definitely will flex that, because a lot of people can't do that these days. Sage, in the month of March, you may be getting selected or chosen for something important. This could be a contest or a job or some kind of project. You're going to be selected for something that comes with some really big responsibilities, okay? For some of you, this could be an initiation. You could be getting elevated or promoted in some kind of organization. Okay? You may get invited on a vacation to get away with someone. Take what resonates. It looks like you got a lot of options for the month of March, Sagittarius. Okay? This may have something to do with some kind of situation that's going to be prompting your attention. You may be desiring to know the truth about this situation, okay? Or you're going to catch wind of this as the wind picks up, okay? This may have something to do with you, a father figure, or you may be finding out for some of you that you're going to be a father. Take what resonates. This may have something to do with someone else's father. Okay, Sage, I don't know what your situation is. Okay, this could have something to do with your in-laws. Okay, so it could be your father-in-law. Travel may be significant. Okay. You're going to find out in the month of March that someone tried to manipulate you in a situation, or you tried to manipulate someone else. Take what resonates. A Sagittarius could be your sun sign, or it could be anywhere in your chart, or you could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But someone tried to manipulate someone here, and it's going to backfire in the month of March. They're going to be stuck and looking stupid, okay? For probably trying you. Sagittarius, this could have something to do with a Taurus, okay? For some of you, you could be dealing with a Taurus. Yeah. Somebody is going to be expressing that they're miserable in whatever their situation is. They could be missing you or expressing the fact that they miss you, okay? Someone may also be wondering where their money is in a situation. They may be wondering where is their money, okay? So you want to be mindful of that, Sagittarius. You may need to explore new opportunities in the month of March, as there are some coming around, okay? And whatever you were trying to leave behind on that last cycle, it's going to be successful. And if you feel like someone is still playing in your energy, you want to make sure you take the proper steps to meditate or perform any kind of version of cord cutting that you know how to perform, okay? Yeah. This may have something to do with a locksmith or something that you need to do regarding a locksmith or the locksmith company. Sage. Some kind of secret is going to come out regarding a locksmith. A false report or some kind of information that was presented to a locksmith to possibly gain access to something. This is going to come out at an untimely time. Yep. This is possibly going to be information that you're going to find out about during a court proceeding. Somebody is going to, I don't know, it's giving flip energy. It's like someone paid someone here to do something underhanded, and it's going to backfire, but it's going to backfire like at a time that you're not expecting it to backfire. Let's go ahead and get an oracle here and see what other energy we can get for Sagittarius for the month of March. Thank you, Holy Spirit. You have discovery. Reawaken your sense of discovery and expedition. Okay. It looks like sacred geometry, Sage. The cosmos may be significant. You're going to be discovering a lot of things in the month of March. Some of them will be esoteric truths. Others will be possibly testimonies. I don't know. For some of you, this may have something to do with a legal concern. For others, this is self-discovery. You know, like the wrinkle in time is what I'm hearing. Something to do about time is significant. All right? Let's go to the tarot now. You possibly thought that you were moving away to calmer waters in a situation, but it's coming out in reverse. Whoa. Sage, Six of Swords in reverse. Someone said it's time for another round of toxicness. Something's coming back around again in regards to a passing, death spells, or you may be finding out. It's like just when things start to die down, you may be getting news in the month of March of someone passing away. Wow. Ace of Swords, this is the truth. You're going to be finding news out about someone passing away. For some of you, someone's going to be passing away. My condolences if this is your story. Okay? Sagittarius. Yeah, you're going to be looking into this situation, or perhaps this already happened, but it's coming back up again. Seven of Pentacles. This may have something to do with time or finances. Yeah, this is you coming out in your energy. Someone is going to be looking at the role that you played in something, perhaps. I don't know. It's giving investigation energy. Or this could be your child, or this could be something that happened when you were a child. You done with your jump rope?
We're going to play tag.
Okay.
Who's going to be it? Guess what?
I don't know. The government's looking into it, though, Sag. Hierophant. This could be a contract. Something that you've been waiting on is going to come into fruition here. This may have something to do with a contract, a government, or what I'm hearing is placement, Sage. I don't know what that means. This could be getting some kind of a security clearance is also what I'm hearing. Oh, yeah. This could be a promotion. If someone isn't literally dying, someone could be resigning from a position that you may be considered to replace this person. That could be also the situation. But until you hear this news, Sage, you want to be conservative with your spending, or perhaps, don't give your hopes up. Four of Pentacles. You want to be conservative until you hear something back. All right? Any other messages for Sagittarius? Stay lighthearted, stay youthful, and stay high vibrational. Okay? You may also be getting some communication from a sibling or a child that brings you great joy. All right, Sage, that's all I have for you for the month of March. I love you. And never forget, light 'em up.